Out on Myro, we broke resistance, set a new high. Looking good. That is one thing we've been wanting to see out of this thing. Instead of a push to the downside, right? I mean, it's gone down far enough. I mean, geez, down to 5-6 down here at this blue line down here. We're looking possibly for another retest of that area. You know, you got your big money down in this area down here. You know, if you put on the one indicator I have here, let's put that on, and is it gonna come on this chart here? Do I have the oh geez, I don't have that turned on right now on this one right here. I apologize. Let's see if we what do we got for fair value gaps? Lots of them to the upside. Wow. Yeah, you know, these most of the time these get filled, right? So that looks good, definitely. Got one major one over here to the bottom, but yeah, looking good to the upside. I mean, you got your weekly RSI just about reset, your daily heading to the upside. All right, got this break. Look at these fair value gaps on the daily. You know, these normally get filled, guys. These normally, you know, once they form, they normally always get filled. I mean, look at this one over here, this big gap. It came back down to fill it. This big gap right here, right from here to here. Price came back down to fill it. You know, these are all to the upside. So that's what you want to see for sure. All right, your daily RSI, look how low it is down here on the bottom on the regular RSI. Looks good. All right, I put it over in Discord. I put this trade over in Discord. This should be a decent long, and this could go up a ways. You know, the measured move of this. You know, if you just take a measurement of the wedge here. You know, whoops, sorry about that. Sometimes it got to grab it like that and put it on here. Because normally I only hold spot, but how do you deal with the price difference in futures and MXC, for example? Oh yeah, MXC. Their chart, the Caspa chart is like that. It's a 0.5% off over in MXC. Yeah, that can be a problem. That's I deal with Bitunix. That's where I put my trades on. If you're interested, there should be a link in the Discord, or not in the Discord, in the description of the video. Go over there and sign up, or at least check it out. There's no KYC or VPN. Doesn't cost you anything. They have lots of new sign up bonuses and stuff like that over there. I like it over there. I don't get the big wicks that took me out on some other sites too. So yeah, that's a tough one there. Like I'm using KuCoin, the KuCoin chart on here on this one, and my other Myro chart is let me see here. This one here, which is this one is on Mexi. All right, so I have 6849 and 6857. This one's actually pretty close, but the Caspa one is a 0.5% off. You know, to the high side. You know, sometimes you'll get that with these charts, but these two are pretty close. All right, you're not dealing with a whole lot of a difference here, but we're looking for a retest here and an entry. You know, looking for a retest down here. These are 12-hour support levels, so we're looking for entry on these longs. If you want to get in on this, guys, sign up for level 3 membership. Yeah, it's only $15. Help support the channel a lot. We have almost 200 people in there, and them guys, we got some really great traders over there. They've been killing it. I was over there for a little bit today, the holidays and stuff. I've been in and out a lot, but I posted 3 or 4 trades over there this morning. Stuff just to keep an eye on. I just posted this trade over there a few minutes ago, but them guys are killing it over there. Yeah, so if you want to join up, right now it's time to do it, guys. We have an alt season coming. Going to be some big money to be made. You know, no promises. I'm not a financial advisor, but you should easily be able to make $15 over there. You know, for sure. So anyway, looking at Myro here, you know, this thing like I said, potentially has a long way to go back up. The 8-hour RSI getting near the top. The 12 still heading up. Let's see where the weekly. The weekly is almost reset. Your 3-day and 5-day. Your 3-day looks fantastic. The 5-day also looks very, very good, right? I mean, this thing could have a pretty decent run back up. I mean, look how beat down it is. I mean, you can see this big A, B, C in here move to the downside. And yeah, I mean, you know, if you put a fib on this top to the bottom down here, you know, normally you would expect a move back up, you know, right around 13, 13.8. Oh, you know, this is not tomorrow or tonight, but overall, you know, retracement. You normally always get back to at least them levels. You know, I can show you numerous spots on these charts where you get, you know, at least back up to a 382 or 50%, right? I mean, that's just normal. Even a 5 wave down is back to the 382 or 50%. So Myro potentially has a ways to go to the upside here. We'll keep an eye on it. But right now, looking good. I mean, like I said, these targets just for this move here, you know, potentially back up to, you know, 7.7. Let's see here. Yeah, you know, at least back up to the top of the wedge, 7.5. You know, but I would be thinking higher. If it gets up here to 7.7, then that would be a break of this fib level. This 618702 in here. You know, and then you'd be looking at 8.3. I'll be honest with you, this almost looks like a either a wave 4 pullback here, you know, and then a 5th wave, or starting another 5. You know, with the break of this, it has to be either this is a 4, then you get a 5 with a push up, an ABC, and then another big run up here. But expect the Myro to have a decent run here for sure. I mean, it's went sideways and consolidated in here for quite a while, but getting that higher high was the big thing, all right? Especially, you know, go out in a daily here, all right? And, well, let me go on like a 12 here and show you here, all right? You always want to keep an eye on this stuff. You know, you had this high, and you had a low, and you had a, you know, a lower high, a lower low, a lower high, a lower low. Then you have a higher high, right? It took out this high over here. You have a higher high, and we're looking for a higher low to come in here. You know, should stop on a retest here, and then another higher high, right? That's what we're looking for. Easier to see probably on like a 4-hour. Yeah, I mean, you get the point, right? High. This was a high here, you know. You had this low down here. You know, this high took out these highs over here, so you have a higher high. That's the point. You want to see a trend reversal, okay? So that, not just a break of these trend lines. These trend lines, you'll see a lot of times these get violated. You know, they give you an idea where price is heading and stuff like that, or give you an idea that a trend has changed. But don't count on these things to hold up all the time, all right? You will see they get violated a lot, all right? Even on pullbacks. You know, for entries and stuff. I mean, we're you know, you're looking, is that sometimes this stuff will wick down in here or whatever, but these trend lines, you know, support and resistance is areas, not just a specific line, okay? Like here at 6.8, you know, the 6.8 to 6.5 or whatever is a support area, okay? This is pretty much an area. And what we're looking for in here on this retracement is a bounce, you know, in this area right through here, right? That's what we're looking for, an entry into this area and a bounce out of here on a 12-hour. This is a very, very good support area, okay? See these closing candles down on the bottom, up top here. If you pull it out through here, it's a very good support area, okay? Especially on a 12, and it matches right up with the top of your overhead resistance that should now be support, right? All right, this should pull back in here and turn into support now, and you should get a bounce out of here. All right. Thank you so much, guys. Please hit that like and subscribe. Go over there and sign up. Try to level 3 out. You know, if you don't like it, then cancel. It's only 15 bucks. Try it out for a month. See if you make any money. And I guarantee you'll learn something. Have a great day, everybody. I will be back very soon. Thank you so much for watching the video.